Hi there, this is Ginger, the old Bohemian Gypsy, and this is really intended for Tina and anybody else who's interested. But yesterday I did a video on this journal that I made for her design team call out, and something that I forgot to do and show you that I wanted to do is like a little add-on video. I don't know how to connect them yet, but just say it's like an addendum. I'm going to show you what I didn't get in to put in the journal. Like I said, her kits are humongous, and this here is all stuff that I had cut out and not used, which you can see here. Here are all of the words and stuff that I never got a chance to put in the journal that I want to put in the journal because I ran out of time. And more elements. Here are some more. And so I'm going to be using those. I'm going to do an ephemera pack, or make some ephemera and do it as a little pack. With all this leftover stuff, there's so much. And I didn't get to do anything with this, and I definitely am going to, because I have an idea of what to do with this, and I think it's going to turn out cute. So when I do, I will show all of that. And here are more words. You can see I left my ink pad open all night. These got thrown on top, and this is what happens when you do that. But there's plenty in there for me to use. Here's another one of these that I inadvertently printed out as paper, but I'm going to use that too. Here's more. Oops, that's not part of the kit, is it? Or the kits. As you know, I use several different kits. I'm trying to show you guys here all that. Oh, that isn't from the kit. And these are from the Fabulous Flowers. This is one of my favorite of the flowers. And there's some things that I want to do with that. There's some more of my I printed my favorite. I printed out extra of the ones that I like the best. And more words, more tickets. Yeah, little tickets. And then more words. And okay, so this is everything that I didn't get to use. And that's a lot. And then, on top of that, well, actually, I'll save that one for last. I have more over here. Put that aside for a minute. Here are things that I actually made and didn't get in the journal. Like I had some small glassine bags, and I didn't realize that I actually had made a few more of the little tags from those collaged pages that I made from the kit. And so though I have those. Here are a couple of tickets that I printed out. Here are some tags that I made out of her tags. I just sized them down a little bit because they come with a little hole that was a little too big, and I don't like putting like ribbon and stuff through. I really prefer doing tabs on my tags. So I kind of cut them down. Now this one I went ahead and left it. I distressed under it, and if I'd known that it worked, I wouldn't have cut these down, but still they're a great size, and they are going to go in the journal. And here's another journaling card that I didn't get to use. Here's another tag, because these tags are gorgeous and they belong in the journal. And here's another one of the collage tags. And the collage tags, like I said, I made these collage sheets out of pages from the kit. And I just did huge sheets and just collaged bits and pieces from the pages. And then cut them up into tag size pieces and journal card pieces. And then once they were cut up, then I would add like an extra element, like this is one of the Roxy Creates digitals. And then here are all the extra pieces of pages that I have yet that I am actually going to put in those center pockets that I had. These are all pages from the kit. And that I think it's the second signature center pockets. These are going to actually go in there for extra journaling. Okay, so that's what's already made that I neglected to get into the journal. That needs to go into that already fat and too chunky journal. I don't know what it is with me. I think I'm starting small enough, and then when I get done, it's humongous, absolutely humongous. Here are some cut up pieces and elements that I wanted to do some more collaging with, and a lot of the, and like this one, this green, I love the green. Now this has got some little pink stripes to it because I was running out of ink, so it came out not quite the right color. And I like to go over them with the distress and like with the green and make this even a deeper green. There are some pictures that I didn't get to use, and I've got bits and pieces in here. Oops, didn't mean to get my head in there if I did. And then over here, these are all the extra elements again that I didn't get, of flowers and stuff that I didn't get to use. So that's all of that. And then from the fabulous flowers, if you can believe this, this is what's left. This is what is left and that I didn't use. So you can see here, I have a huge amount of stuff to make ephemera with. Here are some of the little words that I didn't get to put in. I want to make some more altered paper clips. I've got plenty to do, lots of altered paper clips. I ran out of time, and if I wouldn't have changed course midstream, I'd probably been okay. But like I said, when she came out with that Beauty Fair kit, I almost fainted. I loved it so much. So, and I'm not sorry. I am not sorry. So you can see there are tons and tons. And I cut these all out with my scan and cut. Some of them cut out really well, and then some of them not so good, like this one here. And I was kind of experimenting. This is without a border, and for some reason they come out too raggedy and jaggedy. And then with the border, and the border is almost too much, I think, so sometimes I've been cutting a little bit of it off. So sometimes it works good, and then sometimes it just doesn't. So I kind of separated these in as far as, different sizes and stuff are concerned. So anyway, I have all of those to work with. So I have plenty of stuff here to keep me busy making all kinds of ephemera. All of this stuff, just from 3 little kits from ShabbyDabbyDooDah. Okay, guys, that's it. Tina, I just wanted you to know that, and I wanted to show everybody the extent of what it is that you get with your kits. Your kits are huge, and not only that, they're very, very reasonable. There are kits out there that I would love to have that I just cannot afford to buy. When they get up in the $12 range, it's really hard for me to do that. So, I work on a budget every month, so I have to keep all of that in mind. And when I find a designer who makes gorgeous digitals and the price is right, I'm there. Okay, thank you guys, and thank you, Tina. Toodles for now. Bye-bye.